Where does the name for Morfa Conwy, or in English sometimes Conwy Morfa, come from? So the name for Morfa Conwy is made of two parts. First we have Morfa, which means an estuary, and that word itself is made of mor, which means sea, and va, which is a suffix, which means a place of. Then we have Conwy, which is the name of the river, so it literally means the estuary of the river Conwy. Now the English name for it, Conwy Morfa, is a little bit of a misunderstanding of Welsh word order. So they've taken the words Conwy, like the river, and Morfa, as in Morfa, an estuary, but they haven't quite put them in the right order. They've given it an English word order, which is slightly incorrect. Now, this area was actually really famous for mussels for a long time before they built the golf course, but obviously after they've built the golf course it's quite hard to grow mussels on it. This golf course behind me was built in 1869 and might actually be the first place in Wales to have a golf course. So the name literally means the estuary of the River Conwy. Anyway, diolch, thank you, give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe, and if you want to help support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's on my bio. Diolch, have a good one.